I'm running to the bathroom because I'm my pants. Oh gosh. Oh god. Alright, what's up? We're back. It's dark. I had to go to a birthday party for a family friend. So we're back. We're gonna work on the wagon. I don't remember what I was saying, so I'll probably edit this out. But if I didn't, we're gonna take this strut apart and that strut apart, but this strut's coil on that strut's coil. So I'm gonna set you down and we'll get some shit going. So, two coils are apart. That spring, they are the same diameter, but the bottom of this one is smaller. It like tapers down. So, I'm gonna try some sketchy shit because those struts are garbage. I'm gonna cut the ring off the bottom of that strut. See if it'll slide over that strut. We'll be back. So, got the spring out. We're gonna take this one apart real quick. I'm gonna get these put together. I'll set you there. That looks like a good spot. Here comes the sketchy shit. So these are already slammed out, so there's not any spring tension on them. And then really put my socket. Just like that. We're gonna lightly tap this on the ground. So that comes off. There's our strut. I don't know if you can see that, I might be in the way. That coil is garbage. We're doubling up on bump stops because I don't know how this is gonna ride. So we're gonna put this big juicy one down there, little one on top. If there's something stuck in it. I don't know what it is. That wasn't on that one. We're gonna take this coil, set it here. That's gonna fall. Oh, I just ripped my whole glove off. So what you just saw me do is I cut these rings off of the factory struts. These are just going to slide over and sit on top of our height adjusters or spring collars, whatever you want to call them. This guy goes up in there like that, and there she is. There's our coilover, except we're missing a piece. So it's right there. All right. Doesn't look half bad. Cool. Okay. We're back. I test fit this one in here just to see if I could do it by myself, and I did, so didn't record that because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to. So now I'm going to set you up here. I'm fucking running to the bathroom because I might shit my pants. Oh God. Oh God. Update. I made it to the shitter. It was close, but I made it. All right, we're back. At this point, I have a mess to pick up. All the parts are back in the car. So I'm gonna throw the wheels on it, set it on the ground and see what it looks like. I don't have tires for my rear wheels yet. I'm going to order them as soon as possible. So these chunky fucks are gonna go back on. That's all right. Why does it look no lower? Hello? Maybe it's a little lower, but my idea with the with the struts didn't work very well. Huh. I don't even know how that happened. But that's enough for tonight. We'll deal with this tomorrow. Look at the top of the coilover. Why? I can't tell if it's lower. I don't. Maybe a touch. What the hell? Back to the drawing board. But it's staying for tonight. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is a long ass video. It looks a little lower. Them struts is definitely not going to work though. I got to figure something out on them. I don't know. But check out the next episode for when we fix this. Have a good night.